Hello, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your own IBS or absolute function. So I'm a little bit easy in English. My English is not so good, so I hopefully that you understand my accent and also what I want to say. So let's get started. How to create a function like, so I want to connect my database to server in the new query. Here I mean how to create a function like absolute function. So absolute function is a function which change negative value to positive. So if we select IBS and then when if gives the parameter a negative value, then this value will change to positive value. As you can see here, it's negative but changed to positive number. So how can we create, so this is a built-in function, or also it's called a mathematical function. So how can we create mathematical function like this? So go and say create function, and then what's the function name? So here you can add your function name. So my ABS means my absolute. Then I can, here I just want to, my function just has one parameter. In the name of the parameter, everything as you want, but I want to, the name of the parameter can be converter, and then it's as float. This means because I want to give the data type float, because if someone wanted to change a float or a decimal number like this, select ABS and then 3.3. so if someone gives a negative number, should work like this. If we gives integer data type, then it will round off the number and it will gives us an exact number. So here I also want to return float. Then as begin, so that's the rules of function, that you should create function, the name of the function, and the inside the argument I declare a variable or an argument or parameter. So the name of the parameter should start by an @ operator, with an @ operator. So here @ in as begin. So here I just want to declare a variable. So the name of the variable can be result, and then the data type is float. So here I declare and I created a variable. So the name of the variable is result and the data type of the variable is float. Here this declare key you should use before creating every variable. And then here I can say that set the result equal to my argument. So my argument name, the argument is converter. So here converter. Oh sorry, converter. Yeah. And then here I just want to use the case statements. So the case statement is actually, some people think and some new students think that the case statement is like if statement, but they're wrong, because the statement we only want to check, so we can check multiple statement or multiple condition by this case keyword. So here I want to use case statement. Before the case statement, we can use a select and then name of the variable that we have declared. So we declare the result. So here select result is equal to, here is equal to case, so case when, so I can give a command to the computer or to the program when result, so result is less than 0, means if the result value less than 0 means Less than 0 means -1, -2, -3, or -0 or -1 up to negative, how many you can say, so -1000, -2000. It means if the value of the function, or if the value when we call the function, if the value is less than 0, then what the function, what should you do? So then result multiply in -1 means if someone add a negative number, then multiply the negative number to this -1, means negative multiply negative will be positive, or will be positive. So here -1, and then else if someone add a positive, not negative, so then show me the positive number. So else, here I can say else just the result, show me the result, means end, and then return the variable to the argument. So here result, return the result to the argument, and here end. And then let's execute our function in the database. Oh, there is already, as you can see, there is already, but I just wanted to say that your ABS. Let's execute this function. We created the function successfully. So here we can, if we use a function, we can say select dbu, means database object, and then we create an object of our function, and then your ABS, and then if we gives a negative value, so this value should be changed to a positive value. As you can see here, we done correctly. Here also you can say as positive value. Okay, so as you can put this inside a single quotation. Okay, so here you can see positive number. If you enter a decimal number, so 3.3434, and then you will see the positive of this number. Also you can write here the name of any table. So here I have a table, so just select start from I think the name of the table is 1. So here, yeah, here as you can see here I have a negative, it's -3434. This is a negative number, or negative. So how can I change this to positive? Because this value inside a table, so this column name is SV, so you can also see SV, and then you can say that from which table, name of the table is 1, as positive value. And then if you select this here, you will see, so oh sorry, from 1, I don't want this because I have the name of the table. I don't want to change the name of the table. So here as you can see here, so 3434 changed to positive because it was a negative. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write your question on the comment. If you have any suggestion, create more function or any project, so write me your question or your suggestion in the comment, like or dislike our video, and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.